Hello everyone and welcome back. So far we have learned how to create shapes, modify them, and combine them into more complex parts. Now we are going to take the next step and refine our designs to make them look more realistic and professional. In real-world engineering designs, sharp edges are rarely used. Edges are usually rounded or beveled for several reasons, like improving strength, making parts safer to handle, and making them easier to manufacture. So in this video, we will focus on two important tools, Fillet and Chamfer. Let's start with the Fillet tool. The Fillet tool allows you to round edges by applying a radius. So, doing that on this part here, on the skin as you can see, let's try to do it on this edge. By clicking on this edge, we go to the Pull tool under the Design tab, and as you can see, we have on the first features here the round, which is the fillet features. It's already clicked here, so we click or tip 1 millimeter for example, and I click enter. As you can see right now, we can exit and we have a fillet with 1 millimeter as radius on this side. But I wanted to do this on the all four sides. How to do that in a proper way? I will delete for now this fillet and let's do it again. We can from the beginning choosing all four sides by clicking on all these edges. I will click on this edge. I will click together with the Control key and choose the other three edges together, and as you can see we are now marking all four edges. We go again to Pull tool and we have already the fillet features here on, and I hit 1 millimeter, so 1 millimeter and click. As you can see right now we have a fillet around these four edges here with 1 millimeter as a radius. It makes our shape smoother and good looking. Now you can also select multiple edges as we can do and we can do it for the other edges. This is very useful when you want a consistent look across your model. So let's do it also for the other four edges at this location. I will show this edge and this one. I will rotate the view and show the other two edges here. As you can see, we can go to the Pull tool again. We are still on the fillet side. I will hit 1 millimeter and enter. Now it's look like way better than before. This is how to do a fillet on the model. Now let's look at the chamfer tool. Chamfer is similar to fillet, but instead of creating a rounded edge, it creates a straight angled edge. Select an edge, then activate the chamfer tool. How to do that? We can do from the same strategy. We will click on these four edges, for example, at this location and this location. Now we clicked all four edges. I go to Pull tool again, and instead of the first feature, which is the round here, we choose the second one, which is the chamfer feature. I will click on it and for example I will tip 1 millimeter as you can see and hit enter. As you can see right now, instead of having fillet on the upper four edges here, we have chamfer, and on the down part here we have the fillet features. Now our part is way better than before and look professional. So both are used depending on the design requirements. Just like that, the model looks much cleaner and more realistic. Try to follow along and experiment with different values to see how it changes the design. In the next video, we will learn how to copy and pattern features, which will help you speed up your workflow. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next part of the series. And feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.